Tom was a young boy in a small town. He wanted to learn English. Why? Because English was like a key. With this key, he could open books, movies, songs, and the whole world. But Tom had a problem. He didn't know how to learn. He thought, should I only read grammar? Should I only memorize words? He felt lost. One night, Tom had a dream. In his dream, a voice whispered, Tom, English is a treasure. To find it, follow the steps. Listen, read, speak, write, and never stop. The next day, Tom remembered the dream. He thought, maybe I should start with listening. So he listened to short English stories. At first, he understood little, but he listened again and again. Every time, he understood more. Tom learned something important. Listening every day makes the brain stronger. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is learning. He smiled. This is the first step. Tom wanted to try speaking, but he was shy. What if I make mistakes? He thought. Then he remembered the dream. Never be afraid of mistakes. So Tom started speaking small sentences. Hello, my name is Tom. I like apples. The weather is good. He spoke to himself in the mirror. He spoke to his friends at school. He even recorded his voice. Slowly, his words became smoother. Tom realized practice makes perfect. Mistakes are teachers. One afternoon, Tom opened a small English book. At first, the words looked difficult, but he read slowly. He read stories about animals, about people, about adventures. He learned new words like journey, brave, and hope. Reading gave Tom new ideas. Reading gave him new words. Reading made him feel smart. He thought, reading every day is like food for the brain. Tom bought a notebook. He called it his English journal. Every day he wrote a few sentences. Today I ate bread. Today I played football. Today I am happy. At first, his writing was simple, but soon he wrote longer sentences. He wrote small stories. He wrote his dreams. Tom learned that writing makes English stay in the heart. One day, Tom asks his teacher, Teacher, what is the secret of English? The teacher smiled. The secret is not a book. The secret is not a magic word. The secret is practice every single day. Tom remembered listen, speak, read, write every day. Not once a week, not once a month, every day. Months passed. Tom could listen and understand. Tom could speak with confidence. Tom could read and enjoy stories. Tom could write his thoughts. One night, he had another dream. In the dream, he held a golden key. On the key was one word, English. The voice whispered again, You see, Tom, you found the treasure. You found the English key. Now, the world is open to you. Tom woke up and smiled. He knew his journey had just begun, and he wanted to share the secret with everyone. Listen every day. Stories, videos, songs. Speak without fear. Even small sentences. Read simple books and enjoy them. Write daily a journal, notes, or small stories. Practice every day. Not perfect, but consistent. Tom learned English step by step, and you can too, because English is a key, and this key is waiting for you.